I'm Melinda Meow, and this is last week's Volt Report. Tim Cannon recently became a cyborg. He designed the Circadia computer chip and inserted it into his arm with the help of a body modifier. Not a doctor, no anesthetics, which makes him the do-it-yourself cyborg. Purdue University finds that plant life only needs red and blue colors to grow, so they shine pink lights on plants and they grow faster. So keep that in mind for your next vertical farm. Solid Concepts, a metal 3D printing company, is now the first to 3D print a heavy metal gun. And they did it just to show how accurate it can shoot. Take that, 3D printing critics. Researchers in China are making communication with deaf people easier with the Kinect. It's like FaceTime for sign language, and avatars are communicators on screen with real people. That's it from TVR last week. Be sure to subscribe for this week's Voltage, and we'll be taking a look at the bees and these shirts. Thanks for keeping current with the Volt Report, and Godspeed. Leave us comments. We love comments. Speaking of my ears, these Neko Mimi ears that I'm wearing, these are brain waves. With this sensor right here and the sensor on my ear. Pretty gnarly. Use it to cosplay or just for catting around. They're still the first generation of neuroscience brainwave reading headbands, but they express my emotions and are perfect for showing everybody that you like to dress up as a cat.